Okay, we gotta try to clean these valves up a little bit without hurting them. I don't think brushes really do much, but who knows? At least not these light duty ones. Whatever cuts the carbon, they'll screw up the seat. You don't want to do that. I'm just trying to knock off the high stuff anyway. Hold on.
It's a much stiffer.
Mm-hmm.
You want that?
That works to make it not flat. It'd be nice if a laughing stick would stick to this, but I don't think it's ever going to happen, but we'll try it. Laughing sticks have to have a perfect seal, they don't do a damn thing. So we have a power brush. Once again, you get too aggressive, it screws up the seat. This one won't screw up the seat. The mosquito's trying to get me over there.
What's the light button there, huh?
That's the light button. Well, that's the off button. Right now it's recording button's on. So it says record right in the center. Alright, so I got that cleaned up, see? Not too good right here though, but... Your intakes have a lot more carbon, I'm seeing. It's pretty aggressive carbon. So that's where we can file. We gotta be careful. Your files are really sharp.
They don't have a lot of wear on them.
Yes, they're very aggressive.
I have two. I have a fine and a bastard.
No, even the fine ones are fine. Of course. You don't want to get anywhere near that seat. You also want to cut the valve and break the valve.
I got some of those scouring pads.
I'm hitting up here, not down on the seat area. What I don't want to do is hit the seat, see? So I change my angle a little bit. See, looking where I'm filing at. So this is where wire brushes come in handy. So don't file in the stem. Oh, you got a real brush shot finally.
I was just like racking my brain. I was like, man, I thought I had like a stiff, long one.
Oh, you found one. Good. About time. Okay, so we got most of the carbon off that we're going to get off. Yeah, carb cleaner and let them sit overnight, it will soften it up a lot. But we got what we got. boot's long enough for a seal on that. So, big enough. You didn't have this rubbing on the floor.
Yeah.
Curbs come in handy for lots of things. Decarbon your valve on the curb, you just gotta be careful. It's like everything. It's all about technique and being careful and not overdo it. See how it wasn't on the seat? I got all of it's like 3 different angles on here, but stayed off the seat. Don't get the seat. Seat's bad. Since I did the first one, I got a different technique there, see? So it's almost like a swirl cut now. Like my swirl cut?
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to get out.
Yeah, somebody wants attention. Okay, you better shut this garage door. We are collecting hundreds of mosquitoes in here.
We got mosquitoes in here?
There they are everywhere.
Close the door, you just can't close it all the way. The thing is, are they biting you yet? They're not biting me yet. They hit this thick hair and they kind of don't know what to do.
What? They're not used to hair.
Why is it stopping? Go all the way down. Pinch the hose, who cares? Keep going. Stop. It'll work. Your phone's ringing.
Just tell me my garage door closed.
Your garage door closed. In case you didn't know. Hey, your garage door closed. Is this called grunt labor? Grunt labor is important labor, though.
There's a lot of hours in cleaning in this job for sure. Getting things done right. Lot of time in prep.
I'm also prepping for the next phase of the job too, which is dumbasses don't understand. Where's your mosquito off at? What? You don't like that moth? That's a moth, not a mosquito. Okay. Your file might be dirty now. Okay, so we're halfway through our valve job. What do you think about it? That's half the job.
Half the job.
Yep. Okay, we'll be back.